Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is In Search of Malice. So FIRs against journalists for incorrect accounts are abuse of law with intent to intimidate. So the FIRs are getting filed against journalists because they state that they are giving incorrect information. So that is a wrong thing and it is a mispractice of law. So their intent is wrong in this case. The registration of cases against some senior journalists and Congress MP Shashi Tharoor for their misleading social media posts on the Republic Day violence during the farmers' protests in Delhi by the UP and MP police is an instance of fishing for malice where there is none. The Gautam Buddha Nagar police have clearly gone overboard in their response to tweets that reflected an early and factually incorrect piece of information that a farmer who had died during the tractor rally Delhi had fallen into a police bullet. So many cases were filed against some senior journalists. So the Congress MP Shashi Tharoor and also other MLAs affairs have been filed against them too regarding the misleading social posts which were tweeted by them. So on the Republic Day, the riots and the violence which was caused by the farmers in the Delhi and UP and Madhya Pradesh, the police were searching for the bad content in them where there is no bad content. So the Gautam Buddha Nagar police have clearly said that some of the facts which were mentioned by them are incorrect, and the piece of information such as a farmer had died during the tractor rally in Delhi had fallen into a police bullet. So they say that any farmer didn't die. So later report said he had died when a tractor overturned during the protests. The police have invoked the offense of sedition, conspiracy, promotion of enmity between different sections, and breach of harmony between groups. Besides, they have sought to portray it as a threat to national security and as an attempt to instigate violence. A similar FIR has been filed on the basis of a complaint in Bhopal, but it invokes only section relating to promotion of enmity and ill will. It is apparent and also strange that the complaints and the police have sought to link the violence on January 26 with the circulation of a piece of national information for a short period. For one thing, the clashes between some of the farmers and the police had already started when the lone death among the protesters happened, and second, the position was clarified in a short while. So but actually in the news and other reports show that a farmer had really died during the protests. So this makes the police keep in a bad position because they started promoting the enmity between two different groups and conspiracy of murder, that is plot of murder, and also falsifying the evidences. So these are some major sections, and also it is breach of harmony between the groups. and all this happened because of the police. So they have sought to not to show it, and also many complaints have been filed. So they regarded it as a threat to national security. So they regard it as a threat to national security, and also they did an attempt to stop them by using violence. So and also they filed an FIR on the basis of a complaint in Bhopal, but it shows that the sections relating to the promotion of enmity and ill will only will be considered. So the complaints that the police have showed linked to the violence that occurred on January 26 in Delhi. So some many of the information might be wrong and some of them might be correct. But for one thing, the riot that had broke out in Delhi was very bad and strong and led to many deaths. So the police have already started doing violence after the death had occurred among the protesters. So that is good. Thank